Barmin.
Kakateyo mwanamkara.
Hauna kakati.
Kakateyo, here we're
Yeah.
just cruising nice.
Yeah.
And we don't care whether, but we take one game at a time.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're down with Bulgaria City. Next Wednesday, we are with GNU.
Yes.
This is our GNU.
Who is GNU? Who is
the
GNU?
Chiefs? Where's the Chiefs? Obvious, my friend. That's the 3 points, man.
Yeah.
They're going to give us 3 points.
Yes.
They know.
Wena kara utsibi mjushabalala.
No, relax.
Kara utsibi silver wena.
That's me. Do so or not.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
who is that guy? We're from some place here.
Yes.
Messina.
Messina.
We
Yeah.
have Rufai.
Yeah.
Put some down.
Yes.
And we have that. I'm just out in talk alone. Underman.
Jamani.
First class.
Yeah.
So I have to find Wednesday.
Yes.
People they want to give us 3 points.
3 points.
Those people they are partners.
Yes.
We are genuine.
Yes.
We are fighting this battle.
Yeah.
We are with them.
Yeah, bro.
Because the Chiefs they know they have to give us that 3 points.
3 points.
It's a must.
Yeah.
Yeah. But for now, we take one game
At a time.
Thank you, bro.
No, thank you, my brother. Who is your man of the match?
My man of the match
Yeah.
today, Abraham.
Yeah.
It was high. Tell some Brambul.
He was
solid.
Ngimubone
He was
ashapa
solid.
pasi akena spacing ashapa cross
Afa Tembashwana. A legend, bro.
Yeah.
He shot a game time.
Yeah.
Wabona Tembashwana, bro.
Yes.
He's a legend. That guy
Yeah.
who shot a game time.
A legendary captain. Yeah.
That is a legendary captain, bro.
No, thank you, my
So
brother.
next week, Wednesday, we are here same time.
We talk football SA.
You know.
Bashapa Snap.